Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use interactive brokers trading platform detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the interactive brokers website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the trading platform option on the main dashboard. Click on the link to access the Trader Workstation or TWS. If prompted, download and install the TWS software. Launch the Trader Workstation application. You will see a welcome screen upon startup. Select your preferred layout from the available options. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping different windows according to your needs. To view stock information, use the search bar at the top. Enter the symbol of the stock you want to analyze. Click on the result that matches your search. Now, focus on the charts section of the platform. Adjust the time frame for your chart to suit your trading strategy. To apply technical indicators, click on the Studies option in the chart window. Select the indicators you wish to use from the drop-down menu. Now let's proceed to place a trade. Navigate to the Order Entry panel on the right side of the screen. Select Buy or Sell depending on your trading intention. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to buy or sell. Choose your order type, such as market or limit order. Set your limit price if applicable. Review all order details for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to place your order. Monitor your open positions in the Activity section. To access research tools, navigate to the Research menu at the top. Explore various reports and market analysis provided. Make use of the newsfeed for real-time updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.